2025 was a year of hope, achievement, and lives transformed, and it's all because of you. Through hard work, dedication, and a commitment to our mission, we reached new heights together, including more people visiting our retail stores than ever before, receiving a record-setting amount of donations, and introducing new mission programs to help more Albertans than ever before find meaningful employment. This year, we proudly received the Alberta Business Awards of Distinction for efforts in marketing, our amazing Calgary Impact Centre earning Benchmark YYC Award for achieving the lowest GHG intensity in its category, and Goodwill officially being recertified for having one of Canada's most admired corporate cultures. In Grande Prairie, a number of Goodwill team members medaled at the Special Olympic Summer Games, showcasing their athletic prowess. Finally, in St. Albert, Goodwill and the Habitat for Humanity joined forces to strengthen community impact. On behalf of our volunteers, our team members, and our wonderful board of directors, thank you for making such a difference by supporting our nonprofit social enterprise. By shopping and donating at Goodwill, you are making a difference in the lives of Albertans with disabilities or barriers through the power of work and the dignity of a job. From our entire team at Goodwill, we are wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas, a happy holiday season, and a fabulous New Year. Thank you for choosing Goodwill, and together we will continue to build a stronger, more compassionate Alberta, one donation, one job, and one success story at a time.